Hey, what's up?
Oh, hey, man. How you doing?
Man, I was wondering, have you heard from your family?
Yeah, sure. No, that's a lie. Haven't heard a fucking thing.
Damn, that's fucked up, man.
Yeah, well, not gonna matter. We're all gonna be dead in about a half hour anyway.
What's going on, ladies?
Hello, Trevor. What kept you?
Business, Michael, business. All right? I'm the CEO of a big international corporation. It's very time-consuming. Nothing, of course, you'd understand, being a gentleman of leisure. You know, Franklin, if there's one thing that you're gonna learn from being around us,
Plead fucking insanity. Then they can't fry you.
if you want something done, go to the busy man. This rich fuck is useless.
Hold on, man. Could y'all knock that shit off?
Oh, look! Boys, you're boys. It's the feds.
Hey! Where's the other three?
What other three?
We told you to bring along 6. This is a 6-man job.
No, you didn't.
Dave did?
No, Dave didn't.
You said you'd do it.
That is a frickin' lie. I do not get things wrong.
All right, great. Then we're out of here. Fuck it. Let's go.
You 3 can do it alone.
And fuck you. You do your own dirty work.
Hey, I do my dirty work every day, keeping the country safe from scum like you.
And you're doing a great job, sir.
Hey, you want this job done? Then come with us, huh? Come on, Mr. Leisureware, Mr. Depressed Accountant. Let's go save America.
Who the fuck are we saving it from this time?
This is the real deal. My sources are convinced there's a plot in international affairs, you know, the agency, and they're using this facility to make a serious nerve toxin.
Bullshit.
Yeah, which they plan in their mind-blowing insanity to let a major terrorist release on a metropolitan area so they can continue to get funding. Nothing increases funding for fighting terrorism more than successful acts of terrorism.
So all right. So let me get this straight then.
No, there is no getting it straight. That's the point. Now we're doing this. You 2 are on getaway. Fuck off and make it happen. Michael, you're with us. What size flipper you wear? Agent Norton, it's been a while since you were in the field. The sight of you in neoprene is something we save for our worst enemies.
Shut up, I'll be fine.
And you, get in. You're driving.
Follow the coast to the south. It's not far.
Listen to me, Steve. No wisecracks, got it? No fucking cliches. We're fighting for the freedom of the people today.
Don't lecture me on patriotism. You've been living outside the system too long. Social responsibilities, a joke to you.
So maybe I redeem myself, get killed in the process, huh? That old bullshit.
No one is dying on my watch. Not even the burnout bank robber with temper issues and nothing to live for.
A hero's death is too good for you. You'll die in the ignominy you deserve.
This is the bay. We can get in through the discharge tunnel.
Here goes.
There'll be a grate over the outlet. Townley, you've got the cutter. When we get there, go to work punching through.
Roger that. I'm taking the oxyhydro cutter to the grate.
That's burning at over 3,500 degrees.
Yeah, thanks for the science lesson. Can I keep this for the next vault I hit?
That gas won't last forever, so cut smart.
from the instruction manual?
Thought you'd want some intel on the equipment we sourced using your hard-won funds.
Ha! I figured it was all gonna go on a wardrobe full of windbreakers. Oh, and maybe some nipple clamps. That should do it.
All right, we go down the vent, find the access point.
You sure this thing comes out where you think it does?
The intel is good. We're 100 yards out.
Ah, I feel like I'm giving a colonoscopy to the Statue of Happiness.
Nice change from beating up Trevor Phillips's ass all day. You feel that? Water's getting warmer.
You wet your pants, Davy?
This is a cooling tunnel. Of course it's getting warmer. No one urinated.
I know for a fact that that ain't true.
The problem with this job is I only get to know the criminals who are dumb enough to get themselves caught.
Yeah, only I wasn't caught, remember? I turned myself in.
He makes a point. That makes you doubly dumb.
Final turbine. Nearly there. That's an air pocket. Take it up to the surface, people.
Come on, get up the ladder.
How are we? Huh? We ready? I was born ready. Let's do this.
Come on, Dave. What's the plan?
Hey. We locate the toxin and action our escape strategy. That's what we got.
Great. Lead the way.
Bank robber, your job is to keep this covert and non-lethal as long as you can. Can we go? Hands where I can see them. Okay, now hit the elevator. So what exactly does a neurotoxin look like? You're on a need-to-know basis, bank robber. Shut it. Elevator's coming down. Someone's on board. Out! Grab the card. Next floor. Come on. How you feeling about this? I feel pretty damn fine.
Yeah, if only your camera crew was here.
Round to the right. Come on. Clear. Let's go. You see the lab geeks? I don't want trouble from these two.
Don't hurt animals. I love them. No.
We gotta keep moving. Along here and to the left. Come on, push through. Stay against this wall. Security is scheduled to come through here. Team incoming. Make a call. Clear. We move forward. Swipe us in. Come on. Lab rat in the cage up ahead should have the secret sauce. Come on. Gore, now.
What's going on? He's got the locking system overridden from in there. Pause it. We got company.
I got this. You, hands up. Back up. Back up. And freeze. We get collateral.
You want a bargain? What's Nerdface worth? Open up.
Stick up, guy. You're expendable. Get the nerve agent. This'll make me the most dangerous man in the country. I'm also the most shit scared. Oh, man. Thank you, federal government. Damn it. We need to get the nerve agent into a refrigeration unit.
Facility security has been compromised.
my face.
Warning, warning.
You got the right weapon? This shit's about to get real.
Security team!
On the floor!
You chose the wrong line of work. Don't sit there. Bring it to them.
Crap!
Hey, we gotta go.
Sooner we're done, the better.
Another guard.
Poor bastard.
I don't want to be here either. Left, up here. Look for the exit.
Along here, to the left.
Hey, you work for the wrong branch of the government.
Let's go, let's go.
You hit me in the wrong place and we're all fucked.
Come on, let's go.
Two guards. Move it. Move to the north. I hate to think what these chimps have seen.
Get back from the door.
Stay down!
Final search. Let's get that hot sauce in the fridge-o.
Reinforcements should be arriving. Wouldn't be surprised if they had the whole county on lockdown.
That's what I need. I got a nerve fucking agent in my pocket and a battalion of soldiers on my ass. Don't shoot me. I'm carrying nerve toxins here. Can we go, Michael? It's them or a few million civilians.
Wait! Stay there!
It's a grim business. Put the agent on ice. Refrigeration units in that container.
Here we go. Get her on ice before the sell-by.
Okay, steady. Easy does it, Em. Just as I was getting used to having the apocalypse in my pocket. There you go.
Phillips is on his way.
Good. Get this thing ready to move.
I'm just a couple clicks out. Is the package ready?
Package is ready. Get over here, man.
I can't believe they spent the tank from the Polito job on this chopper. It's a flying pig rig. And we need a flying pig rig right now.
Line it up with the container!
team's already in the building! It's never too late! We're going! Let's go!
It's too risky, Bandito. That bird goes down and takes half the West Coast with it.
You know what? If you're done puking up excuses, how about we come up with a solution?
Okay. All right, you go. I'll stay in cover.
Fuck it, fine by me.
And the dead bodies?
I'm lucky I'm not one of them.
Come on.
Let's go!
Oh, FIB Special Agent, I got this covered.
Detain this man.
Fuck you, I should detain you. I just took a bullet for my country.
Pull it up! Get us out of here!
What happened back there? Where's Agent Haynes? Don't tell me we suffered casualties.
Only self-inflicted ones. Fucking guy shot himself so he could pass as a double agent.
Well, maybe they'll debrief him with a 12-inch aluminum flashlight. Haynes took the easy way out. We're the ones hoping we'll outrun the agency response team. I think Franklin's the one taking the easy way. Guy's got his feet up in an aircraft hangar.
Look, let's just get to the airport so we can finish this bullshit.
When you drop us, I'll take the nerve agent. Mr. Phillips, can I trust you to dispose of the chopper? I got more important things to worry about messing around with this stupid chopper. Like things that actually mean something. Not made-up wars with made-up enemies. Matters of the heart. Is he fucking with me?
Probably not.
Hey, Frank.
It's cracking, man. So the chemical weapon in there, right?
If it even is a chemical weapon, hell, it could be shaving cream for all I know. By the way, next time you're getting wet. Oh, but there won't be a next time, will there, Davey? There never is.
I'll do my best for you. I always try.
Yeah, well, maybe this time we'll get lucky. Maybe this time Steve will succumb to the strains of enhanced interrogation techniques.
Interrogate him? Are you insane? They're probably decorating him right now.
Hey, Davey, your boys at the agency are onto you, remember? Huh? You and Stevie.
Just try and keep your heads down.
Yeah, putz. What's this? Oh, fucking A. Yes!
What's up, man?
My days in the wilderness are over. Lester, he settled up with that crazy Mexican motherfucker. Gave him the artifact. Now, as long as Trevor handles the wife, we're good.
But what about him, man?
Yeah, fuck him. He likes the desert. Besides, we do one big score, we're all gonna have to go our own separate ways anyway. Oh, man. I can't wait to get back to that movie studio.
Yo, all right, man. Well, shit, I'll holler at you later then, all right?
What a shit show. I'll tell you what, you could take this desert and stick it. My life may be a world of pain, but from here on out, it's gonna be cool, comfortable, air-conditioned pain. Take it easy.
I had a wonderful time, Trevor. But we both know I made a vow to my husband.
Dino!
You have a great pain inside you, but you are a beautiful man.
I've never been so happy and so sad in my life.
You have a beautiful way with words.
For some reason, everyone I love abandons me.
I am not abandoning you. I am going home.
Street you!
I know. I know. No. Stay.
You better treat her right, man! I will, amigo! Yeah, otherwise, the other ear!
Of course! The way I see things, you and me and Michael, we're friends now. Good friends. Such good friends that we will make a great effort to avoid one another.
That's fucking perfect!
Thank Michael for the statue. It is exquisite.
Yeah. Yeah, I will.